All right, this is definitely one of our most powerful features, chat. So chat is just that. It's like a ChatGPT, but with your entire company and customer knowledge accessible to everyone at your company, included in all of your plans, and it's unlimited. And of course, we use some of the best, latest models to make chat even more incredible than what you can often find anywhere else. So to get started, we can just start a new chat either by going to the home page and hitting start new chat, or we can just go to the chat section, hit start new chat, and we'll have a new chat here. Now, I'll show you different places that chat exists and why they exist in different places. But to get started, this is it. It's kind of like a ChatGPT. So if I wanted to say, what does our company do? And for you, it will have a different answer because it uses your custom context every single step of the way to be able to understand what your company does and why it does it and what kind of features and services do you have, so that when it answers these questions, it understands the nuance between, well, what is our company do versus what our competitors do. So if I were to say, what are the top 10 favorite things our customers have said about Build Better in the past month? I can ask a somewhat complicated question like this, and it will actually go through all of the data and to be able to find this answer. And you'll see here, and of course, every single part of it has citations every single step of the way. So, they appreciate how well we're able to understand their problems, going through this, integrations, context-aware summaries, better reporting. So there's just a lot of great stuff. And I could organize this, take the top 100 feature requests from our customers and organize them by theme topic. And I can ask a question like this, and I can even get more data and more answers. And, obviously I'll maybe hide some of this stuff just so I don't give you some insights about where we're going too soon. But you can see just how detailed and how eccentric this is. It's incredible. And it does a great job both for internal and external. For internal, you can do things like, what is Adam working on this week? And I can ask a question like this. And it will pull from internal meetings. And now I don't even have to know. It's like, okay, cool. Like instead of checking in with Adam or asking Adam a question, and of course I only get access to things I have access to. So if Adam had a one-on-one with someone and he talked about something else, like I don't have access to that. But I can also click on it and be brought straight to that segment on the call. I can hit the play button and I can listen to it straight from the horse's mouth. What an incredible and fast experience. This would have taken me hours to find the call or insight or waited for him to respond, and now I can get an answer in seconds. I can also drag calls into the chat and ask a question just to this one call or multiple calls or whatever it might be. I can also go to a call itself, and you'll see every single call on the right-hand side also has its own dedicated chat where I can ask a question and it will only pull from this question. So if I wanted to ask this question about our AGI strategy and stuff like that, it will only pull insights from this call itself. Now, this also works with folders. So if I were to go to a folder, I could, create a chat here and it will only pull insights from this folder. So if I were to ask a question, what are the top feature requests in this folder or integration requests or something like that, it will only answer from this folder itself. Now, there's literally an unlimited amount of things to do with chat, but I think the best things to do with chat are often finding information, understanding, prioritizing, organizing information, and doing it in such a way that it saves you so much time. And again, this is unlimited and free for the entire company, unlimited seats. Everyone gets access to this type of chat. So instead of spending hours of you asking one person what's the status of this thing, and then that person asking another person, and then that person asking another person, and now 3 hours of the company time has been wasted by just understanding one simple question or trying to understand, well, what are the top feature requests this week? What were the top issues? When was the last time a customer asked a question about this thing? What are our customers asking for that our team isn't working on? All of these complex questions, you can now get answers, no hallucinations, direct citations every single step of the way. It's an incredible feature. Please, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get a lot of use out of it, and I'll see you in the next video.